Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing amazing. I hope you're staying at home and safe and healthy. Today is another exciting video. I'm gonna do 24-hour cooking challenge. Now those of you who know me well know that I really don't know how to cook, so it's definitely a challenge for me. I was deciding on the menu of what I can cook for the entire day. I came across this video of that quirky miss. If you don't know her, where are you living, guys? Please do check out her channel. It is just amazing. I'm addicted to her videos. So she had put out this video where she made some amazing recipes suggested by other YouTubers. I don't have any YouTuber friends, but why not just follow what she ate for the entire day? So I'm going to try and make all of those things today for breakfast, lunch, dinner as well as snacks. Whatever she made, it looked delicious and that's why I'm really excited. Let's see मैं कितना अच्छा बना पाती हूँ. But anyways, I'm really excited and also nervous. But yes, please, before I begin, make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bells on to get notified each time I upload a video. And now let's get started. For breakfast, she had eggs with toast and there was hash brown and there was fruits, strawberries या grapes थे. This was suggested by Mridul. It's quite a widespread menu for breakfast. For me, I'm not gonna have eggs because I'm vegetarian, but I think alternate would be saute vegetables. I'm gonna just find some vegetables in my house and just gonna saute them and eat them with the toast. For hash brown, I really don't know how to make that. I'm gonna watch obviously a few videos and I will try to make hash brown, but I think मेरे लिए बहुत heavy हो जाएगा because toast with vegetables is more than enough for me. I like to eat my meals in small portions, so hash brown थोड़ा optional रखती हूँ. I am not sure if I'm gonna make it. So let's go make this breakfast. It was so heavy but delicious. I had super fun making it and eating it. But anyways, it was delicious. It was very fulfilling. I don't think मुझे 3-4 घंटे तक भूख लगने वाली है. But let's see, it's a long day ahead. I have a shoot, I have my office work, there's a lot to do. So I will see you at lunch. So I just finished filming. I created this beautiful look. So in case you want a tutorial on this look, do follow me on Instagram because वहीं पे मैं tutorial डालूंगी. But anyways, talking about lunch, I am really hungry and excited because she had tandoori momos for lunch. Momos are like snacks for me, but tandoori momos looked absolutely delicious. As you can see, I'm drooling. अभी बनाए भी नहीं है, but already I'm really hungry. Fun fact, I've never had tandoori momos in my life. मेरे को कोई आइडिया नहीं है कैसे टेस्ट करते हैं वो, बट उनकी वीडियो में काफ़ी डिलिशियस लग रहे थे, सो आई एम एक्साइटेड. बट मैंने कभी स्टीम मोमोज तक नहीं बनाया है, सो इट्स गोना बी अ टास्क फॉर मी. आई वॉच अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज़ ऑन यूट्यूब, सो आई नो द रेसिपी. नाउ लेट्स सी कैसे बनते हैं एंड आई एम गोना जस्ट रिमूव दिस मेकअप एंड जस्ट क्विकली गो एंड स्टार्ट मेकिंग दोस. Done with my lunch. It was delicious. I just can't tell you how delicious these momos were. मैं पता नहीं अभी तक क्या कर रही थी दुनिया में. I didn't even try tandoori momos before. But yes, अगर घर में इतने अच्छे बन रहे हैं तो बाहर और भी ज़्यादा delicious होंगे. So I just can't wait to go out and have these. But definitely after everything gets better. But yes, I'm done with my lunch and let's see when I will feel hungry again. So tab we'll make evening snack. So I'm back for evening snacks. Evening snacks mein she had Frankie. So I'm gonna make that. For my filling, I'm gonna use paneer, aloo and capsicum. Let's see क्या क्या available है. So I'm really excited for this because काफ़ी easy लग रहा है बनाना. So let's see कैसा बनता है. I am done eating and it was so heavy. Snacks की तरह तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. The best thing I've made so far. It was delicious. I just can't tell you how delicious it was. I can't get over it. But yes, let's see अब कब भूख लगती है. जब भूख लगेगी I'm gonna make my dinner. तभी बनाऊँगी because थोड़ा डाउटफुल लग रहा है मुझे कि ये चैलेंज कंप्लीट हो पाएगा. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, it's dinner time. It's around 9:30 p.m. I was busy and to be honest भूख भी नहीं लगी, but I'm hungry now, especially because what she ate is my favorite, pasta. I'm a pasta lover. I can live on pasta. I can eat it for the entire day. But the kind of pasta she made, that's something I have not tried before. So I'm excited to make it. And I'm also very, very hungry. So let's go make pasta. Challenge. I'm not gonna have midnight snacks because already it's too late. It's around 11 and I'm gonna sleep after this, but it was such a fun challenge. The dinner was okayish. I would prefer my Alfredo white sauce pasta over this one, but it was not bad. Maybe मैंने ढंग से नहीं बनाया. It might be tasty otherwise, but I would still prefer white pasta. It was such a fun challenge for me to do. Making things, cooking food and eating it. It was a little bit of challenge but super duper fun. Let me know if you would like to see more of such videos and let me know what do you think of this particular video. Do comment in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn the notification bells on to get notified each time I upload a video, and I will see you in my next video.